In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple ways how to detoxify your blood, how to purify your blood, how to clean your blood. But before that, I would also like to underline 3 reasons from where these impurities come into the blood so that you can understand it and you can work on the root cause of the issue. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The first reason of getting impurities into the blood, what I had seen in my practice, is leaky gut. This means that your gut has some of the holes. Now the stuff that should not fall into the blood, it's falling in the blood, and this is causing all the issues. Now from where this problem starts, why a person have this leaky gut, from where these holes happens in the gut, it is because of the lifestyle. If a person is eating too spicy food, too sour food, too much fermented food, refined carbs, unhealthy food, then for sure your blood is going to be full of impurities. Your gut is going to be unhealthy. What will happen is that the pH of your blood is also going to be disturbed, and this is going to cause itching all over the body and can cause eczema or other skin issues. Many times because of this leaky gut, the bile also gets into the blood, and this causes severe skin issues. So your liver, gallbladder, bile, intestine, all these organs should be healthy. Then only you will have better skin, then only you will have the detoxification of the blood. According to Ayurveda, this is a Pitta problem. Pitta means fire component in the body. If you will notice, all the food that I have said that causes these issues, those are spicy food, sour food, fermented food. These things are said to increase the Pitta, the fire component in the body. Bile in itself, it's like a fire. What is the function of the bile? Bile helps a lot in digestion of the fat and helps us to get the fat soluble vitamins from the food that we are eating. So bile is like fire itself. So when it gets mixed with the blood, this also causes issues. So according to Ayurveda, this is a Pitta problem, means the fire component disbalance in the body. Second reason is if the homocysteines are increased in your blood. If homocysteines will be increased, then the chances of clotting are going to be very high, causing heart issues, or your chances of strokes are going to be higher. Now, what is the reason behind these high homocysteines? Again, if you are going to eat too much oily food, too much fatty food, refined food, chemical processed food, then the chances of increasing homocysteine in the body are going to be very, very high. Third reason is the most obvious one. This is stress. Yes, continuous or chronic stress can cause lots and lots of problems in the body. And if our body is in chronic stress for a long period of time, then it produces certain secretions, and these secretions can mix up with the blood and cause toxicity of the blood. So these are the 3 most common causes. What should be the treatment? First, and the best treatment is eating on time. If you will eat on time, you will be fasting every single day. For example, you are eating your dinner between 6 to 7 p.m. and next day, if you will be eating your lunch between 7 to 9 or between 8 to 9, then there will be a gap of at least 12 to 14 hours. And this will be a good resting time that you give to your body. And in this time, body is going to heal and repair itself. Even fasting once in a week is also very, very important. I'm not saying to do extreme fasting. Just eating on time in itself will be fasting. So follow healthy lifestyle. This will be also enough to detoxify your blood. Now, second recommendation for the treatment is use of Manjistha. Manjistha, botanical name Rubia cordicolia. This herb is one of the best herb to detoxify skin. If you see any of the Ayurvedic medicines or syrups, anything that is for the skin, it will surely have Manjistha in it. I have lots of videos on my channel where I have told how to make the paste of Manjistha to apply on the skin. But Manjistha you can take internally also. It is available in the powder form, in the tablets form, in the capsules form. So apply Manjistha on your skin. I'll put the link of my videos in the description box down below. If you are interested, you can have a look. Also start using Manjistha internally. If you'll be taking powder, half teaspoon 2 times in a day for 2 months. Manjistha is awesome. It's very, very powerful herb. It cleans our blood. It is rich in antioxidants. It is going to reduce the free radicals. It's going to improve the digestion also. You can even drink Manjistha tea. Yes, you can make the tea out of it also. I think I have the video on this also. I'll put the link down below in the description box. You can have a look. So you can consume in the form of tea. You can consume it in the form of powder as you are comfortable. But use Manjistha for 2 months. This is going to purify your blood. My third and last recommendation is about diet. Yes, diet is going to play the biggest role. Which diet to follow according to Ayurveda? Pitta pacifying diet you have to follow. It's very simple diet. I have it on my website. That's veherbal.in. Just follow Pitta pacifying diet. This is going to balance the fire component in the body. Very simple diet. There will be list of products that you should be consuming and list of food products that you should be avoiding. Go through this diet and see what is easily available near to you. Consume only those food products. This diet is going to be a boon for your skin. If I talk generally about Pitta pacifying diet, this is a diet where nothing that is sour in taste, spicy, too much salty, too much oily, fermented food, these all things are prohibited. This is Pitta pacifying diet. Follow Pitta pacifying diet. This is going to be a big help. Yes, there are many other Ayurvedic herbs that can be helpful. For example, neem. But I personally use neem only when it's too much required, like antibiotic or like heavy medicine. I don't just generally recommend use of neem every single day. I recommend you to use neem only if an Ayurvedic practitioner has prescribed it. Otherwise, don't use neem every single day because your body can be habitual of it, and when it will be needed, then it will not give so good results. That's why I don't say to use neem. There are other syrups also. For example, Manjistha Powder or Kadha or Khadira Rish. Those are the famous Ayurvedic tonics. Again, those tonics or any other tonic that is from Ayurvedic herbs, I always recommend them if they are too much needed. If a person is having any of the severe problems with the skin, then only I recommend those herbs or vitamins or syrups. But in general, just to detoxify, purify blood, this is more than sufficient. Your gut should be healthy, your digestion should be healthy, and just follow all these three recommendations. This will be more than sufficient. If you are suffering from skin problems as acne or eczema, then I have other videos specifically dedicated on these topics. If you are interested, I'll put the link down below in the description box. You can have a look. So if you just want to detoxify, follow all of my recommendations that I have given in today's video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. See you next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more. Stay happy. Stay healthy.